So, I want to walk us through how we can compress a PDF file. You might be asking yourself, why do you have to compress a PDF file? Probably you want to reduce the size of the file. You want to attach an email very fast. You want to save your storage space. And you want to easily share the file. You need to compress that file. Or you might probably be faced with a situation whereby you have to upload a PDF file of 1 megabyte, and if PDF file you have is 6 megabytes. What do you need to do? So this is where this video comes in handy. So what you need to do first is to visit this website. It's called pdftier.com. pdftier.com. So when you go to this website, when you visit this website, just click on the free download. It's a desktop app. It's a desktop app. So ensure there are options for Mac, options for Windows. It also work on phones as well. On phones and on iOS. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are using the Windows version. So just click on download. I already have the app downloaded on my PC. So after you've downloaded, you want to open the app. Now I've currently opened the app, so you'll be presented with this dashboard. As you can see, there are a lot of features that this app comes with. There's Match PDF, there's Image to PDF, there's PDF to PNG, PDF to Word PDF, then Compress PDF, which is what we want to do. So when you want to click on Compress PDF, so when you click on that, there will be an option for an option that is going to pop up. It asks you to select the file. So at the moment, I don't have any file yet, so I want to add a file. So let me look for a PDF on my PC. So I click on Add File. Now I have this PDF, the Clubhouse menu, and the current size is 6.10 megabytes. So I click on it, and I open. As you can see, it's already uploaded here. Now, you'll be presented with an option, the compression level of low, medium, and high. Let me briefly explain what this compression level means. Now, for the low level compression is simply minimal size reduction. While for the medium compression level is a balanced quality and size, while the high compression level is a maximum size reduction. Let's say I am selecting this high as the compression level I want for this particular PDF file, which is 6.10 megabytes. So when I click on compress, it's already compressing. You find the status there. As you can see, it's completed. It's completed already, and I've been able to compress the PDF file from 6.10 megabyte to 2.07 megabytes. And the interesting part of this compression is the file still remains the same. The quality is not lost at all. I hope you found this video very helpful, and please remember to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thank you. Bye.